Hey guys, Nick with TASKTUNER here, and I know a lot of you guys are currently using Slack as the main place for communicating with your team and your clients. And on top of that, you're using also a task manager such as ClickUp, Airtable, Trello. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how, for example, if you're using ClickUp, you can easily integrate that into Slack. And from there, you can create tasks or manage tasks all from Slack. And the main point of this is so when you're having these conversations within Slack, when valuable things that come up that need to get done, valuable action items, you can quickly and easily create tasks in your project manager, such as ClickUp, all from Slack. So just to avoid things slipping through the cracks. So just to hop right into this, for those of you that are using ClickUp, we'll go through Airtable and Trello and other project management apps later, but specifically for ClickUp right now, you're gonna go in Slack. So say you're currently in home, you're just gonna come down here to these three dots and you're gonna go to automations and you're gonna go to apps, and that's gonna bring you to this window I was just at. And you can type in, if it's not already visible, just type in ClickUp, and that's going to bring it up, and you're going to see I already have it installed, so it just has the configuration option here. But basically it goes through all the different things you can do here, but the main thing that we're going to go over today is how you can create tasks right from Slack. So once you have that installed, we're just going to hop into a test channel here where I have a test conversation already set up, and this is going to be like the main use case for this. So again, say for example you're currently having a conversation within Slack and something valuable said or some action item comes up, and you want to make sure you just get that into ClickUp as quickly as possible so you don't forget to do it later. Say I'm saying in a conversation, it would be a great idea if we created a YouTube video about productivity. Okay, so we come over here, click these three dots to the right and create ClickUp task, and then you can just say YouTube vid productivity, just give it a name. And the good thing about this is once it creates the task in ClickUp, it's going to reference the conversation in Slack. So you could quickly link over there, or your teammate or whoever's doing this could quickly link back to it. Also, it's going to drop that automatically in there, so they have context, whatever that was said in the Slack channel, it's going to drop that into your ClickUp task automatically. And you can go ahead and expand on that if you need to. In this case, we'll leave it alone. It's also going to bring up the locations. So this is going to basically bring up any list that you have created in ClickUp. And we can go over this in another video of like how to organize your ClickUp. It can depend on how your organization is set up and how many people you have working in there, how many different things you're working on, etc. But basically all the different lists that you have are going to be listed here. And if you know the name of it, and there's a lot of them, you can go ahead and type it into search, hit the search here. So social media, that is the one we want. But again, you could narrow it down a lot quicker there. Assignee, so we'll just say in this case, I'm gonna assign it to myself to create the video. Okay, or you could assign it to multiple people if there's gonna be multiple people working on the project. Status, we'll just say it's assigned. Priority, medium, tags if you had some sort of tag grouping set up, and we'll say do tomorrow. All right, so we'll go ahead and get create. Okay, so it says task was created successfully, and click over here and we can see, all right, I've already tested this out a couple times. You can see the latest one that I created here. It's right there. And let's see, you could pop into there if you needed to later and add more details, whatever you need. All right, so that's the main use case of this. But also, let's just say you're in the channel here and you have an idea for a task, but you don't want to go over to ClickUp to set it up, and you just want to get something created quickly. You can just type ClickUp new /ClickUp new, and that'll bring that up. Hit enter. And that's going to bring up this command prompt, and you can create task and basically do exactly the same thing. Start a brand new task from nothing if you needed to, all from Slack. So same deal, enter in the name of the task, description, location. And that's going to bring up, once you select the location, it's going to bring up all the same options, etc. And you can go ahead and create it. And we'll just leave that for now. So that's it, guys. Just a quick productivity hack if you guys are using ClickUp in conjunction with Slack. And again, if you guys have a lot of things going on within your team, I highly recommend, not just for yourself, teaching this to the rest of your team so you can make sure, when you're saying things to them in Slack, and you can just let them know, okay, hey, if I say something important, you can do this to make sure it doesn't slip through the cracks. So we make sure it gets done. In the future, we'll be coming out with more videos, how you can integrate the other project managers into Slack and other apps, etc. And just the different cool things you can do with those. For now, if you did get some value out of this video, please give me a like and also subscribe for more. And I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.